Hey guys, I'm Jonas. Today we're going to be finishing up this Kandi cart. So I took this thing for a test drive the other day and it did great. Didn't have any problems with anything. The only issue that came up was this muffler. The end completely blew off the muffler, baffling came out and everything. So I was a little worried about it to start with, so it didn't really surprise me that it didn't hold up. It just blew apart, and it was a cheap muffler. So gonna have to see if I can find something else different there, but otherwise engine ran great. You know, the torque converter, chain setup, the brakes, everything really worked good on this cart. Didn't have any issues. So basically what we're gonna get ready to do now is start tearing things down. I've got a few little spots I want to finish up welding and grinding and just cleaning a few things up, and get it all stripped down and prepped, and then start painting. So we finally got in all the parts that we needed to completely finish up this Kandi cart. I spent quite a bit of time putting this thing back together and just kind of doing all the little fine tuning stuff, you know, going over the details, just making sure that everything was how I wanted on it. And this thing really turned out nice. It looks good, the paint looks really good, it runs great, it handles great, so it's really ended up being a nice cart. We got quite a bit of money into it, but I think it's got some good resale value to it, so really going to make a good cart for somebody. So that's going to wrap up this build series. I hope that you guys got some good value out of this, and if you've got a cart like this or want to find a cart and build something like this, I hope that this gives you some inspiration to do that. So if you guys haven't seen my other channel at Power Equipment Man, be sure to go check that out and subscribe. We've got some great builds going on that channel with some golf carts and stuff. So if you guys got some good value out of this build series, please hit that thumbs up button, drop a comment down below, consider subscribing. Love hearing from you guys. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.